2016 Discovery 2. The Discovery 2 is a mid-sized SUV with true off-road capabilities from the British car maker Land Rover. This 5-door SUV will take you through town with ease and allow you comfort and security in extreme driving conditions. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, air conditioning, front, cruise control, side airbag, 4-wheel drive, power door locks, security system, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, intermittent wipers, sport package, tilt steering wheel, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, tinted glass, leather shift knob. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.